In this video, I'll guide you through how to use ClickUp Board View. Whether you're completely new to ClickUp or just curious about working in a more visual way, this walkthrough will help you get comfortable with the basics so you can start organizing your tasks like a pro. First, make sure you're in the space, folder, or list where you want to use the board view. This is important because the view you create will be tied to that specific location in your workspace. Once you're in the right place, look toward the top of your screen for the views bar. This is the horizontal area where you might already see options like list, calendar, or any other views you've created. On that top bar, find and click the plus view button. It's usually labeled with a plus symbol followed by the word view. This is your starting point for creating any new view in ClickUp, including the board view. When you click that button, a panel or menu will open, offering you a list of different view types you can add. From this list, choose Board. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you do, ClickUp will create a new board view for the location you're currently in. You may be asked to confirm some basic settings like whether you want this view to be private to you or visible to everyone who has access to that space, folder, or list. Take a second to choose the option that best matches how you and your team work. Once the board view loads, you'll see your tasks displayed as cards organized into vertical columns. By default, these columns are grouped by status. That means each column represents a different stage of your workflow, such as to do, doing, and done. Your individual tasks appear as cards inside these columns based on the status you've set for each one. This default setup is helpful because it instantly turns your tasks into a simple workflow you can scan at a glance. New, untouched tasks might live in to do. Anything currently in progress will appear under doing. Completed items move into done. As you update the status on a task card, ClickUp automatically moves it into the correct column for you. To really take advantage of this view, try dragging and dropping task cards between columns. For example, when you're ready to start working on something, drag it from to do into doing. When it's finished, drag it again into done. This not only updates the status behind the scenes, but also gives you a clear visual sense of how work is flowing across your board. If your workspace uses custom statuses, you'll see those reflected here as well. Maybe your process includes steps like backlog, in review, or blocked. Those will each appear as their own columns, and tasks will move through them as you change their status. Over time, this makes your board view a live snapshot of where everything stands. That's all you need to get started. By clicking the plus view button on the top bar, selecting board, and working with your default status-based columns, you can quickly turn any list of tasks into a clean visual workflow inside ClickUp.